Locked out of your iPhone and forgot the passcode? First, if your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, you'll find an Erase iPhone option in the bottom right corner. Tap that, confirm, enter your Apple ID password, and your iPhone will reset. If that isn't an option, you can go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID. Choose Find My. Locate your device. And select Erase iPhone. That wipes everything but lets you regain control. Another path is recovery mode using a computer. Turn off the iPhone, connect it to a Mac or Windows PC while entering recovery mode. The exact button and procedure depends on the model. Then use Finder or iTunes to restore. That erases the device and restores it, letting you set it up fresh. If none of those work, or you want a simpler tool, MagFone iPhone Unlocker can unlock the screen without a passcode. Connect your locked iPhone. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Download the matching firmware. Then unlock. It removes the screen passcode, including Face ID and Touch ID, and often can handle Apple ID, screen time locks, and some other iOS restrictions.